Good morning. Look at all this garlic. Never seen so much, just amazing. Smells gorgeous. It's like a carpet, grass. Everywhere. Don't you just love forests? Biology, nature, knows what to do. Just like birth. And just like our bodies, we are nature. We are part of this amazing organism that is life, that is the earth. It works, especially when we feel connected and when we stay connected and when we feel awe and wonder about just how amazing it is to be a part of all of this. Listen to the birds. It's unpredictable, but at the same time predictable. So many oxymorons, isn't there, in birth and in nature. We have this big pattern that happens, but then there's always freak things. And you know what? Nature adapts, and we do. And it's great that we can save people, save babies when things don't go right, but on the whole, it works. It does, it works. I promise. I've seen it. I know. And it will keep working. Despite what they tell you. Want you to think it's all going to fail. That serves a purpose, doesn't it? It's garlic. It's going to be having wild nettle and garlic soup later. I know, it's stereotypical. It's what you got to do, isn't it? This time of year. It's great. We've got 2 little boars as well at the van, waiting to be butchered. Poor things, roadkills. But let's make use of nature's bounty.